allowed to eat before, let's say, because you just said at 3, 4, or 5 o'clock in the morning, you're allowed to eat like food, but what type of food?
Okay, that's a good question. So I'm talking about not Shabbos. I'm talking about in general. So let's talk about general. So in general, so it says our Shulchan Aruch says, do not start your bread meal, less than 30 minutes before the daybreak. Right? Why? Because at daybreak you're already obligated to start praying. You're going to pray, not going to pray, it's irrelevant. Right? So like let's say daybreak. Let's say I'm just making it up an example. It's 6 a.m. and my prayer starts 8:30. So technically I have like a few hours before I have to go to shul. Right? But still, like so they say, if you want to eat bread, so start half an hour, like more than half an hour before. Why? Because you're going to eat and then you're going to say Birchat Hamazon, this and that. So meaning that you finish eating all of this food before the daybreak. Dawn. So dawn is much earlier than sunrise, just so you know. Right, but other foods like there is no problem. So if, for example, if you anyway, even if you decided that okay, you woke up at 6 a.m. let's say, right? You're 6 a.m. and you start like praying at 7:30. Let's say you still have time. So even though, as we said, you're allowed to drink coffee, but it's proper before you drink coffee, at least say the morning blessing, at least say Shema. So meaning what? That I put Hashem first, and only my needs are my needs, and they're going to come second. Okay. But it's proper, as a Shulchan Aruch says, if it's possible for a person not to eat or drink anything at all, it would be preferable. Why is it preferable? To make it like the idea. It's not for a person to suffer, but to be humble. So people like when they ate a lot, like big meal, they start talking loud and this and that. So very arrogant. But a person who is starving, not very arrogant. Of course, after the night, it's not like we starve, but still makes a person humble, and he prays better. Like you can ask for his sustenance much better than somebody who just ate piece of cake and he's not hungry. You understand? That's the thing. Okay.